I realized hospitality management and cooking was right for me when I started helping my family in the kitchen during special occasion. I enjoy preparing food, serving guests, and seeing how they were happy after eating the food. That feeling made me realize I want to build a career where I could make people satisfied through a food. A challenge I was faced learning how to work under pressure during school cooking competition. Things didn't go as planned. I had to adjust quickly and focus to solution and listen to my teammates. That I realized that good communication and teamwork makes a big difference in life and kitchen. I am most proud of preparing a full meal on my own for small community event. It took a lot of effort and planning, but seeing people enjoying my food, it made me proud. It mattered to me because it showed hard work and passion can bring to joy to others, which is hospitality it's all about. I see this job helping me improve my cooking skills and learn more about a real kitchen and hospitality setting work. It will help me grow personally by building my confidence and patience, and professionally by giving me hand-on experience that will prepare me for a career in hospitality management and culinary field.